Most players talk about using AI to study poker, but almost nobody uses it in a structured, smart way. They either ask random, "What should I do with this hand?" questions, or they copy charts without understanding why those charts exist. In this video, I'll show you how I would actually use AI to study poker faster, smarter, and more systematically. We'll break it into 3 parts. 1. Using AI to understand spots and concepts. 2. Using AI to build your study plan. 3. Using AI to manage your mindset and avoid tilt. Most players treat AI like a shortcut or a magic answer machine. They say, "Here's my hand, here's the board, what should I do?" You get an answer, but you don't build a mental model. Next time a similar spot comes up, you're lost again. Instead, you want to train AI to act like your coach. Take one specific recurring spot, for example, button versus big blind, single raised pot on a dry flop. You feed AI a few example hands and ask, what are the main ideas for the in-position player here? Which kinds of hands want to bet small, and which hands prefer to check? What are the most common leaks at low stakes in this exact spot? Then you go deeper with your questions. Explain this spot to me like I'm a beginner. Now, explain it like I already know basic theory. Give me 3 simple rules I can remember at the table. The goal is not to memorize charts. The goal is to walk away with a clear picture in your head. What am I trying to achieve in this spot? Which mistakes am I trying to avoid? Now every time you see that situation in a real game, you're not guessing. You already have a simple decision tree in your mind. That's how AI becomes your private strategy coach, not just a random answer machine. Most players either jump from topic to topic randomly, or they simply don't study at all. AI can fix this, if you treat it like a study partner. Here's how I do it. Step 1. Describe your current situation honestly to AI. For example, I play online cash games at NL25 and NL50. My main issues are folding too much to aggression, getting lost in 3-bet pots, and tilting after big pots. Step 2. Ask AI to design a simple 4-week study plan based on that. Your plan might look like this. Week 1. Defending versus c-bets on the flop. Week 2. Turn play in single raised pots. Week 3. 3-bet pots in position. Week 4. River decisions and bluff catching. Step 3. For each week, ask AI for 3 key concepts to focus on, 5 example hands to analyze, and 3 questions you should ask yourself after each session. After your sessions, you paste a few tricky hands into AI and say, here's what I did and why. Break down my thinking. Where am I leaking EV? Over time, you're not just watching random content. You have a real training block that compounds. You're turning your study time into a structured program instead of a YouTube binge. Now let's talk about the part almost nobody uses AI for, mindset and tilt. We all know the feeling. You play well for hours, then one brutal bad beat or one big mistake happens, and suddenly your brain goes into revenge mode. You know you shouldn't chase. You know the game is still the same. But emotionally, you're tilted. Here's where AI can actually help. After a tilt session, write down exactly what happened, what the hand was, how you felt, what you did afterwards. Then ask AI things like, help me identify the patterns in my thinking here. What beliefs or triggers are pushing me onto tilt? Give me a 3-step routine to follow next time I feel this coming. AI can't feel your emotions, but it can give you language and structure around them. You can use it to create a pre-session checklist, a post-session review template, and a personal tilt protocol you follow when things go bad. For example, your tilt protocol might be 1. Take a 5-minute break away from the screen. 2. Write down the last 3 hands without judgment. 3. Answer 2 questions. If I were coaching a friend here, what would I tell them to do? Does continuing to play right now have positive or negative EV? The point is simple. AI gives you structure so that your emotional brain doesn't make all the decisions alone. Let's quickly recap. Most players will use AI as a shortcut, a quick answer, a chart, a magic solution. If you instead use it as a strategy coach for specific spots, a planner for your study routine, and an assistant for your mindset and tilt, you'll study poker much faster than the average player, and you'll actually remember what you learn. If you'd like a follow-up video where I show exact prompts and real hand examples, let me know in the comments. Tell me which part you want me to go deeper on. Strategy, study plan, or mindset. And if you want more content on poker, decision-making, money, and using AI to think and play smarter, hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and I'll see you in the next hand.